Lugging around a heavy vacuum shouldn't feel like an Olympic sport, especially when you just want clean floors. If you're tired of throwing your back out just to pick up some crumbs, you are in exactly the right place. But I narrowed it down to 6 contenders that actually make sense for a relaxed cleaning routine. The number 1 spot completely surprised me, and honestly, it might change the way you think about cleaning entirely. Let's get into it. 6. Shark HV322 Rocket Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum. On paper, this corded stick vacuum looks like a really solid choice for anyone needing a lighter option. It weighs under 9 pounds, which sounds perfectly manageable for a quick sweep of the house. I mean, when I first put it together, I liked how the main wand felt in my hand. It comes with a few handy attachments for the stairs, and the headlight on the floor nozzle is actually a really helpful feature for spotting dust hiding under the sofa. But here is the problem. Because the heavy motor is located at the very top of the handle, the whole machine is incredibly top-heavy. If you have any wrist arthritis or shoulder pain, that weight distribution starts to feel a lot heavier than 9 pounds after about 5 minutes of pushing it around. You know, another thing I noticed during my testing is that it simply cannot stand up on its own. If the phone rings and you let go of the handle, it hits the floor hard. You have to lean it carefully against a wall or unclip the top half every single time you need to pause. It cleans well enough, especially on hard floors where the brush roll excels. But the ergonomic design just isn't very senior-friendly in practice. It turns a quick cleanup into a bit of a wrestling match, and that really defeats the whole purpose of buying a lightweight machine. 5. Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Now, if you want that traditional upright feel without dragging a 30-pound monster out of the hall closet, this one definitely catches your eye immediately. It is incredibly light for a full-sized upright, coming in at right around 10 pounds. I gave it a thorough spin on my medium pile carpets, and it actually pulls up dirt surprisingly well. The sheer suction power is definitely there. Let me explain where it falls short, though. The build quality feels, let's just say it feels very plasticky and thin. The wheels are made of hard plastic, so they tend to clatter loudly across hardwood floors, which honestly drove me a little crazy during the test runs. And then there is the cord situation. It is on the shorter side. I found myself having to constantly unplug and plug it back in as I moved from the kitchen to the living room. For an older adult, bending over multiple times to manage a short cord is exactly the kind of strain we are trying to avoid. Also, the dust cup release mechanism is unusually stiff. You really have to yank it to get it open, which requires a decent amount of hand strength. It gets the job done on a tight budget, but those daily physical frustrations really add up fast. 4. Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum. This little guy is practically legendary for being cheap, cheerful, and unbelievably light. We're talking less than 4 pounds here. You know, when I first picked it up, I thought I was holding a toy. But it is surprisingly handy for exactly what it is designed to do. It converts from a floor vacuum to a hand vacuum in seconds, which is fantastic for cleaning the stairs or grabbing some crumbs off the couch cushions. I tested it specifically on bare floors and low-pile rugs. It handles daily dust, dry cereal spills, and yes, even stray cat hair with zero drama. It just glides right over the linoleum without any resistance. Obviously, because it is so tiny, the dirt cup is quite small. You will be emptying it quite a bit if you are doing the whole house at once. But the mechanism is super simple. Just a quick twist, and it dumps right into the trash without needing much grip strength at all. It absolutely will not deep clean a thick shag carpet, but for daily maintenance and quick sweeps around the kitchen, it is a total lifesaver for anyone who wants zero heavy lifting and maximum convenience. 3. AlloyMove Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, 45 kPa. If you haven't heard of this brand, don't worry, I was skeptical too. But the huge suction claim made me curious enough to try it out thoroughly. First off, the freedom of having no cord is huge. Not having to worry about tripping over a wire makes cleaning so much safer and significantly less stressful. The main body is exceptionally well balanced, so steering it around dining chair legs feels totally effortless. Let me explain the touchscreen on this thing. It actually has a little display right on top that shows your exact battery life and your current suction mode. It is bright, it is clear, and the buttons are large enough that you don't need to squint to figure out what you are pressing. I mean, it absolutely demolished the dirt during my tests. It tackles thicker carpets much better than the Bissell, pulling up fine dust that I didn't even know was hiding there. Plus, it has a telescoping wand, so you can easily adjust the height to perfectly match your posture and avoid hunching over. The battery lasts a solid 40 minutes on standard mode, which is plenty of time for a standard cleaning session. Emptying it is a simple one-touch process that keeps your hands completely clean. It is a massive step up in both comfort and cleaning power. 2. LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. LEVOIT is usually known for their air purifiers, but man, they absolutely knocked it out of the park with this vacuum design. Right out of the box, the build quality just feels premium and solid. It is incredibly sleek, and more importantly, the weight distribution is spot on. It glides so smoothly, you barely have to push it. It almost feels like it is propelling itself across the living room floor. Here's what matters most to me about this model. The brush roller has a specialized anti-tangle design. I have tested so many vacuums where I eventually have to sit on the floor with scissors, painstakingly cutting out trapped hair. With this LEVOIT, the roller stayed almost completely clean after weeks of heavy use. The filtration system is also absolutely top tier. If you deal with seasonal allergies or just hate that weird dusty smell some vacuums leave behind, this machine traps everything beautifully. The air coming out actually smells remarkably clean. You know, the various attachments snap on and off with a really satisfying, easy click. There's no pulling or wrestling required to change tools. It is impressively quiet, it is powerful, and it is incredibly gentle on the joints. Kenmore DS1030 Cordless Stick Vacuum. I have used a lot of vacuums over the years, but this one perfectly threads the needle between lightweight comfort and absolute powerhouse performance. Kenmore really thought about usability here. The whole unit weighs under 6 pounds, but the way the head pivots and swivels is just on another level entirely. You can lay the stick practically flat to get all the way under a bed without having to bend your knees or strain your lower back. Let me explain why it ultimately beats the LEVOIT. It comes down to a small but vital feature. Unlike the Shark we talked about earlier, this Kenmore actually has a special design that lets it safely lean against countertops or furniture without sliding and crashing to the floor. You can pause your cleaning safely anytime without bending down to pick it up. The suction is just phenomenal across the board. It features dirt sensing technology that automatically boosts the power when it hits a messy patch of carpet and then quiets down on clean hard floors to save the battery. It takes all the guesswork and manual button pushing out of cleaning. The controls are completely intuitive. The dirt cup empties with a single gentle push, and it removes every single physical strain associated with household chores. It is without a doubt the absolute best choice out there right now for a relaxed, pain-free cleaning experience that leaves your home completely spotless. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.